it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So like the title suggests, today I eat KFC for 24 hours. Today is even Sunday. So yeah, let's go inside and grab some breakfast. Hi guys, so my breakfast is here. I've ordered something very light as usual because I have light breakfast. So here are two chicken hot crispies that I'm gonna have. So yeah. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's lunchtime and right now it's 1:53. Really hungry. I was doing some office work right now. It's kind of a busy day even though it's Sunday. And for lunch I've ordered the KFC Zinger box. I think longer box. So this comes with 5 items. So the first one is the chicken longer burger, which looks like this. Second item that comes with are some fries. Then I have this cookie chocolate cake over here. Then I have a chicken piece again because my mom likes this and I don't really feel like eating this right now, so I'll go give this to her and come back. They also give us a beverage which is KFC Pepsi. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how Pepsi tastes. So while I'm having my lunch, I'm gonna watch Netflix. KFC fried chicken is amazing. I think I can never get bored of it. Here I have the burger. Inside they have given some sauce. Chicken patty. I've got lettuce and the bun. So let's have this. That's also really good. So I'm back and it's 9:30 p.m. right now. I'm in different clothes because I went to the gym and I took a shower and now I'm here very hungry. And after gym my hair always looks like a mess, so please ignore that. I've tried to put a hairband, try to make it a little presentable, but I think it's still looking terrible. Anyway, I can't like style my hair and all right now because I'm too hungry. So here is my dinner. I have ordered some chicken, popcorn, rice bowl from KFC, and to go with that I have lime crushers from obviously KFC. So I'll go ahead and taste the drink first. Tastes very average and I think they've made it too sweet. Like for a lemon crusher, I don't think lemon juice or lemon crusher or lemon soda or whatever is supposed to be super sweet, so I'm not that happy with the drink. They've given like decent amount of chicken popcorn pieces, so that's a good thing. Now because they give popcorn in the bowl itself, and on the top it gets very soggy. Like, it tastes good, it's still hot, but it gets very soggy. I like to enjoy like crispy chicken stuff. So this is not crispy, that's one disappointing thing. But there's like really very less quantity of gravy. Kind of gets dry. The quantity is also really decent. Very impressed with the quantity as well. KFC rice bowls taste so much better than McDonald's. Oh my god, I had the McDonald's rice bowl in the McDonald's challenge. Tastes so bad, so bad. So guys, that was my video on having KFC for 24 hours. You guys requested it, so I had to make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon. Follow me on my social media, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.